It has 300 yards distance. And if you will stay overnight, you'll be having some times the next day to enjoy your swimming activities at the South Beach. Never on the North. Because at the South, you are safe. Because sharks there are vegetarians. And for those who are good-looking guys, be careful. Most sharks there are gays. Imagination. Are we all Filipinos here? Anyone cannot speak or understand Tagalog? Raise your hands, please. So from time to time, I could speak Tagalog, di ba? Okay lang? Mas masaya, di ba? Pag medyo nagtatagalog tayo. Okay, so 7,107 islands and islets in the Philippines. Corregidor is just one of the 5 islands neighboring Manila Bay. 4 were fortified by the Americans. And of its tadpole shape, although those have medical background, have different imagination about this shape. The head turns westward to the West Philippine Sea and the tail curves east towards Manila. It has 4 miles of its total length by 1.5 miles of its widest area, which is the head. It has 26.6 miles distance from Manila, 4 miles from Bataan, 6 miles from Cavite. Geographically, the island is closer to Bataan, but this is under the jurisdiction